Hi Aquarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now a quick disclaimer before we start, please only take what resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate, please go ahead and leave it. Now let's quickly jump in and see what we have in store for this month. The first card that I see for you is Seven of Cups, Nine of Swords, Ten of Pentacles. Person B here has Three of Cups, the Devil card, and the Ten of Cups. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have, what is the blockage in this relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Now from the first set of cards, I see you have Seven of Cups, which means that maybe you have too many options. There are too many people around you, and that's somehow causing a lot of stress, a lot of confusion to you, because your very next card is stress, sorrow, anxiety. This could be that because you have to deal with so many people, or you have so many options around you, that you're confused. You're not sure who is the right one for you. The third card that I see for you is Ten of Pentacles, which means that you're looking forward towards, commitment, marriage. You want to have a family. You want to have a family like situation where, you also go ahead and enjoy with your kids, your partner, and things are very stable for you. So you're looking for that committed kind of a relationship. But because right now you have so many people around you, you're just confused. Now for person B here, I see they have Three of Cups. Now for some of you, Three of Cups could mean a third party situation. Maybe this person is dealing with two people at the same time. The second card that I see here is the Devil card, which is negative energy. There could be something that this person has in and around them, or maybe this person also has a hobby or a habit. It could be anything, okay, which is negative. In some cases, it could also be sex, drugs, alcohol. The third card I see is Ten of Cups, which means that this person has emotional connection with you. Even though things may be going downhill, maybe they are just, having another fling with somebody, they still have that one soft corner for you, because Ten of Cups means that this person feels emotionally for you. Now, the mutual feeling that I see for both of you is Knight of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles is the slowest moving knight in the deck, but that's the most stable knight. It means that both of you are taking very slow, small steps towards each other. But eventually, when you guys will end up meeting at one point, you will understand that both of you are meant to be with each other. And that's when you will recognize that being stable, having consistency is very important. Now, the blockage that I see is the Ace of Cups, which means that you're looking for a new beginning, and with cups it means you're looking for emotions, and both of you are not willing to maybe express your emotions. Now with this, we'll also see what is the outcome here. The outcome is the Queen of Swords, which means both of you need to sit down and have a very honest conversation with each other. We'll also now see what is the intention of this person for you this month. So the first card is Four of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, and Six of Cups. Four of Pentacles means miser energy. This person could be in the miser energy where they will withdraw, they will not share their time, money, resources with you. The second card is Nine of Wands, which means they'll get defensive about something. And the third card is Six of Cups, which means here that this person loves you. They have emotions for you. Whenever they are alone, they think about you, and they are also trying to think if there is a possibility to rekindle this relationship. Now we'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle deck for all of you. So the message I see is a new romantic cycle begins, which means that for some of you, it could be that you'll just drop this altogether and start a new cycle, or you will let go whatever has happened in the past and start a new cycle with this person. Now we'll also see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see is Magenta Dyed Agate. The crystal message is, are you seeking unconditional love? You really want others to demonstrate the love they have for you. Show your love for others and know that you are well loved by many. Allow love, be a receptacle of all that is love. Love is your natural state. Now, with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Zadkiel that I put in the description box, and you can read it from there. That's all that I see for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.